Following the worship of nature, India gave rise to the worship of Rita. Rita, or Rit, is a significant concept in ancient Indian religion and philosophy, representing the order and truth of the universe. Worship of Rita is primarily reflected in the early Vedic texts. Rita symbolizes the harmonious order of nature and the cosmos, including seasonal changes, the movements of the sun and moon, and natural phenomena. However, Rita is not merely a natural law. It also encompasses moral and ethical dimensions, emphasizing justice, truth, and order. Through rituals and sacrifices, people sought to align themselves with Rita to ensure cosmic harmony and personal well-being. The concept of Rita influenced later Indian philosophy, becoming foundational for understanding the universe and existence. Several concepts in Western philosophy correspond to the Indian worship of Rita, including Logos. Ancient Greek philosophers like Heraclitus believed in a rational principle or order governing the development of all things in the universe, similar to the idea of cosmic order in Rita. Natural law. In medieval and modern philosophy, natural law is viewed as a universal moral principle, derived from nature and reason, emphasizing the moral order that humanity should follow. Concepts of harmony and order. Philosophers like Plato and Aristotle explored the harmony and order of the cosmos, highlighting the importance of reason in understanding the world and morality. Causality. Aristotle's theory of causality emphasizes the relationships between things in the universe, akin to the natural laws of Rita, reflecting the inherent order of the cosmos. These Western philosophical concepts share similarities with Rita's cosmic order and moral law, reflecting a common pursuit of order and truth across different cultures. In Chinese philosophy, there are concepts that correspond to the Indian worship of Rita, including Tao. Taoist philosophy emphasizes Tao as the fundamental law of the universe and natural order, akin to the cosmic order of Rita. Taoists believe that following natural laws is key to achieving harmony and balance. Tianming. In Confucian thought, Tianming emphasizes adherence to the natural and cosmic laws, suggesting individuals should align with it to achieve social harmony and order. Yin-yang and 5 elements. The theories of yin-yang and the 5 elements in ancient Chinese philosophy describe the dynamic balance and interrelations of the universe, stressing harmony and order in nature. Li. The emphasis on rituals and norms in Confucianism reflects harmony between society and nature, positing that practicing Li can maintain social order and morality. These concepts collectively underscore the significance of cosmic order, moral law, and the relationship between humanity and nature in Chinese philosophy, sharing a similar intellectual foundation with the worship of Rita. In other ancient civilizations, there are corresponding concepts to the Indian worship of Rita, such as Maat in ancient Egypt. Maat is the goddess of truth. Justice and cosmic order in ancient Egypt, symbolizing natural laws and moral order, emphasizing balance and harmony. Ziggurat worship in Mesopotamia. In ancient Mesopotamia, ritual activities aimed to maintain harmony with nature and the divine, reflecting respect for cosmic order. Mayan civilizations' cycles of time. The Maya valued the cyclical nature of time and natural phenomena, believing that the laws of the universe were closely intertwined with human activities. The worship of law in ancient civilizations is a universal phenomenon following the worship of nature. This concept of law essentially encompasses a universal rationality that includes all of creation, including human spirit. Based on this supreme universal rationality, the laws of the universe, morality, principles, and discipline evolve. However, this rationality is worshipped as an external entity, deities representing the embodiment of human spirit, corresponding to this supreme and singular law. This reflects both the development of abstract human thought and the nascent awakening of rational spirit. Human pursuits of morality and ethics are grounded in rationality, which has universality in human relations and social life. The emergence of the concept of rationality plays a crucial role in the development of moral order. However, due to the primitive philosophical thinking of ancient times, people could only worship this mysterious Rita, cosmic order and natural law as external objects, rather than connecting the spirit of rationality with human spirit itself. They did not perceive the essence of rationality as universal to the spirit of humanity. Consequently, they focused more on worshiping deities that symbolize this order, engaging in various rituals, while the meaning of rationality devolved into idol worship and intricate religious ceremonies, lacking deeper reflection and exploration of the essence of rationality and morality. Ultimately, the Vedic period in ancient India remained predominantly centered on nature worship, with the emergence of rationality quickly submerged in the tide of natural veneration. At this stage, humans, lacking reflective spirit and self-understanding, viewed both nature and universal order as external, which are objects of worship for the insignificant self, rather than subjects of deeper inquiry and exploration. If you enjoyed this video and want to help support our channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.